It's easy to see why young couples want to buy homes in Seattle. They're a smart investment. In this video, we'll talk about what kind of credit score you'll need to purchase a home in Seattle. It may be more within your reach than you think. Credit score. If you think of your credit score as a report card, your credit score shows how you're doing in terms of risk. Scores range from 300 to 850, with anything over 800 being in the range of an A+. 750 and above is considered very good, and you'll have an easy time getting a mortgage with regards to your credit. If your credit score is 660 to 749, this is considered good. Anything below that can make getting a house a little more challenging, though it isn't impossible. If your credit cards are maxed out, it will impede your ability to afford the home as well. Your credit score reflects how much debt you have and how up to date you are on paying your debt. Defaulting on a loan or a credit card can really mess up your credit score. Even missing a credit card payment can make it difficult to get your score back into FICO's good graces. Overall, a credit score tells lenders if you're a high-risk person to lend money to. If you are, they may require more collateral or outright refuse to lend to you. Millennial credit scores. Millennials have had to face significant financial challenges due to the high cost of education and having to find jobs after the 2008 economy bust. Many of them are unable to get smaller loans, much less a mortgage. Even if you have a low 600s credit score, you'll likely be able to purchase a home in Seattle. This is especially the case if you have a job where you're making regular income and can prove you can make the mortgage payments. You'll have an even better chance at scoring a great rate for your home in Seattle if your credit score is over 700. FHA loan. An FHA loan, or Federal Housing Authority loan, was put in place to ensure that people who don't necessarily have the best of credit scores are able to purchase a house. It's also for individuals who have had to file for bankruptcy in the past 4 years or who have foreclosed on a home in the past 7. The minimum down payment on these types of loans is 3.5% of the purchase price. For an FHA loan, you'll typically need a credit score of 580 or more. You may qualify with a FICO score of under 580, but this is only if you're able to put a larger down payment down on the house. Collateral. Besides your credit score, there are a couple of other things that mortgage companies look for when they decide if they'll lend to you. The higher collateral you have, the more likely they'll lend to you despite your credit history. In this sense, collateral refers to the amount of money you'll pay up front as a down payment on the house. If your credit isn't great, but you can offer a significant down payment, this could sway an investor to lend to you. Buying a home in Seattle may seem daunting, but it isn't out of your reach, and we're here to help make the dream a reality for home buyers of all experiences. Contact us today for a free mortgage quote and consultation. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.